All right, guys, this one starts calm and turns tense fast. A California game warden stops a hunter named Luke on a remote access road, and the moment recording starts, Luke admits he drove past a gate believing it was National Forest land. Then the warden asks about firearms. Luke reveals a shotgun in the vehicle and casually adds the slugs are for protection against migrants crossing the property. That one line shifts the entire mood. The warden stays composed, pulls a shotgun himself, and keeps digging deeper.
Okay, now you're recording.
Just for safety.
Sure. Oh yeah, sure.
Just for safety.
Okay, so if you have firearm in the vehicle, law enforcement has a right to inspect that firearm and make sure it's unloaded. Okay.
Sure.
So that's what I'm going to do.
It's unloaded.
Okay.
Can I get it out for you?
No, you cannot.
Okay.
Can you just step over there for me? You can come over there. Do you have any game in the vehicle?
No game.
Okay, step over there, please.
I don't consent to any searches.
I understand that. I'm going to check your shotgun and make sure it's unloaded. Okay.
It's on the other side.
On the other side?
Yeah. It's in the back underneath my car.
How'd you get on the other side? Wasn't it too rutted out for your vehicle?
No, this thing does pretty well with the all-wheel drive. Yeah, I was hunting earlier down south, and that's why I have my shotgun.
Okay.
And then,
anything?
no. And then I'm just exploring out here to see if there's any deer. I see some tracks on the road when I first came up. So then I just kept going, and then I got a little too deep. So I wasn't sure what to do. So I was like, I'll just keep going north and try to get out of here.
Are you deer hunting too?
No, I don't have a deer tag. My deer tag's expired.
Okay, are there any other firearms besides the shotgun?
No, sir.
Are there handguns or
no, sir.
rifles?
No animals?
No, sir.
Okay, it's got slugs.
That's just for protection. I'm not hunting with those. I've had some run-ins with migrants, and I just keep them just for protection. That's a steel number 6.
Okay, and then what I'm going to do is make sure there's no other firearms in the vehicle.
That's okay.
You live here local, or?
Yeah.
And you said you stopped to readjust your bike?
Yeah, the straps are coming loose, so I just stretched it back up.
Were you hunting on your e-bike earlier?
Earlier, yeah. Yeah.
You got your hunting license and everything?
Yeah, I do. Yes, sir.
You mind if I check that out?
It's in my backpack.
Okay.
In the front seat.
Okay. Do you mind if my partner checks it?
No, go ahead. It's in my wallet. It's in an orange little case in my wallet.
In his backpack. His hunting license.
And where's your backpack?
It's in the front seat.
Just gonna make sure you're legal.
No, that's totally fine.
In here?
It should be.
Oh.
Yes, right there.
Okay, let me open it in front of you.
That's fine. Yeah, it's in the orange where the money's at.
Right here?
Yeah. And then it's all in there.
Okay. Are you a Utah resident or?
I'm a California resident. I have a business in Utah.
Got it. Okay, just going back in your wallet and put your wallet back in your backpack.
Okay, thank you.
You gonna find another spot this morning and go hunting?
I think I'm gonna head home. Yeah. I was in the and I saw some deer tracks. I've never seen any deer out there, but there was some. I was looking for a rabbit, but nothing.
Got it.
Yeah. I honestly just cottontail looking for hunting.
Got it.
I just like getting out on this thing. I have an e-bike business actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we do e-bike rentals. So I suited this thing up to be able to explore out here.
Yeah.
So just to cover distance.
We use some e-bikes too, and it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So.
Honestly, it's all right. It's a little not as.
Yeah.
I was struggling on the hill. That's why I left to come just explore somewhere that's not as hilly.
Yeah.
I usually go to.
Yeah. Oh, I know what you're talking about down there.
Luke insists a mapping app showed public land and no easement was blocking him. The warden isn't buying it and calls the property employee to verify the gate status. The answer comes back instantly: locked, always locked. That single word wrecks Luke's story on the spot. Asked if he has a key or combo, Luke has nothing. Within seconds, the warden announces a citation for trespassing on closed city property, and Luke's explanation completely falls apart in real time.
The gate might be open right now because they're duck hunting, and like I said, if you have a permit, then you can duck hunt on the lake.
I don't duck hunt.
I know, but I'm saying that's why the gate's probably open. But this is a closed area. Let me call the employee and see if the gate's open.
Okay. Yeah, I was just using my Gaia maps, so I figured I was about halfway, and I was like, well, I'll just try to shoot out the top.
You're using what maps?
The Gaia.
Guide?
Gaia maps.
Gaia.
It just shows public lands.
That's the one with the mountain on it, right?
I believe so, yeah. Okay. Yeah. It didn't show a gate on the map, so that's why I just kept going.
So it showed it was city property?
It just showed Cleveland National Forest.
Okay, this is the city of San Diego. Cleveland National Forest is up on the mountain.
Okay.
Let's check the voicemail. Okay, how about your IDs in your wallet?
Yeah, to be honest with you, I was just trying to get out of here at this point.
Yeah, well, the problem is you're not supposed to be in here. Right?
Okay.
That's what we're...
Because the map showed an easement.
There is no easement. You want to grab your ID from me real fast?
Sure. So you can't even pass through?
No. And the gates are always locked, except for they keep it open for the hunters on Saturday mornings.
That's probably why it was open. Because I've never been...
I mean, I'm actually... Hey, dude. Hey, is the gate open back by Barrett Lake Road? Yo. Hey, is the gate open back by Barrett Lake Road? By the dam. Okay, well, there's a guy in here, and he claimed he came in through that way. It's locked? It's locked? Okay, all right. Then we'll deal with it then. Okay, thanks. Okay, do you have a key or a combo or something like that to get through that gate?
No.
So if we go back there right now, it's going to be...
You just said it was locked, but earlier...
You said it was locked.
Earlier it was open. That's how I got through.
I mean, he's the employee, and he actually comes back from that way. That's how he gets into the property. So he's the only one that accesses through Barrett Lake Road. So, I mean, I would trust his judgment if it's open or closed, right?
I mean, it's been a few hours.
Locked. So do you have a combo? There's a combo on?
No, sir.
Do you have a key, like a SDGE key?
No, sir. You can check my keys. I have no keys.
Okay, let me talk to my partner real fast.
Okay.
We'll figure out, okay? Then we'll get you out of here.
Okay.
Okay, so basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to issue a citation for being on closed city property, okay? Like I explained before, you can't be here without a permit. Sounds like you had an application that shows property boundaries.
Yeah.
San Diego.
I could show you it.
Sure.
If you want.
Could be, actually. I don't know. I mean, well. Okay, well, is this your current
what is this? Here? What's the citation?
It's a trespass citation, an infraction.
Is that fine or?
Yeah, it's basically like the equivalent to a parking citation or a speeding citation.
Luke pleads for a warning instead of citation, insisting he never meant to break any rules. The warden holds firm, pointing out this exact property gets hit constantly by illegal hunters, and reminds Luke he already admitted seeing no trespassing signs earlier that day. That admission seals it. Intent doesn't matter here. The warden makes clear Luke reasonably should have known he wasn't allowed on that road, and the citation is happening regardless.
Okay.
But yeah,
is there any way you can let me off with a warning? I just wanted to leave at this point. I didn't mean to break any rules. I just want to get out of here and go home.
Yeah, so
I've been living in Utah, so I just moved back here.
Let me tell you my perspective, like where I'm coming from here. Okay. We're game warden, right? Our job
I understand.
is hunting fish regulations.
I respect you guys. I want to be a warden.
This property is filled with quail, dove, deer. So we have lots of problems with people coming in here and hunting, and they're not supposed to be hunting here, right? And that's, I mean, you were hunting earlier today. This is exactly why we patrol through here, is to keep people out of here that aren't supposed to be hunting here.
Okay. That makes sense.
All throughout, over here, there's signs that say no trespassing.
Yeah. Earlier I was scouting new areas, and everything was like, no, close. Okay. So I was just driving around, and then.
So you saw from over.
I'm familiar with this. That's where I usually go.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to. That's why I went to. Trying to find a new area.
Okay. Then
explore around.
You reasonably should have known you shouldn't be on this road, right? If you saw from a earlier.
I wasn't up there earlier.
Well,
in the past,
you saw those signs.
That's where I usually go, and I was just looking for a new location to hunt. I'm a new hunter. I'm just trying to find spots.
Okay. Either way, you're kind of telling me that you had knowledge prior to coming out here too. You're not supposed to be out here. Period. Doesn't matter. So what I'm gonna do is, this is what we do. This is what we regulations.
I understand.
Okay.
If you won't let me go with the warning, I understand.
Okay. It'll be just a few minutes, and we'll send you on your way. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Legal breakdown time. Under District of Columbia v. Wesby, officers are never required to accept an innocent explanation at face value. Probable cause is judged on totality of circumstances. So once the property employee confirmed the gate was locked, the warden had zero obligation to believe Luke's story. California law also only requires willful entry onto posted land. Not knowledge was forbidden, meaning Luke's excuse never had a real legal chance.
And is this a good mailing address, or do you want?
Can I do a different address? Because I just moved.
Okay.
Yeah.
In just a second. And is that shotgun registered to you?
Yeah.
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 You want to grab it for me? I'm just gonna run the serial number.
Just gonna run it. Okay.
Okay.
It's in the front seat.
When you say registered, I bought it in California. If that's what you're asking.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
How long ago?
Maybe a year ago, 2 years ago.
Okay. Then yeah, then
Yeah.
it'll be registered to you. Do you have a California driver's license or just Utah?
Just Utah. I got a question for you.
Sure.
Do you do lobsters?
Yeah.
The lobster regulations. It says it has to be equal or greater than 3 1/4.
The carapace?
The carapace. So, if it fits within the gauge, if it fits perfectly within the gauge, is that legal or illegal?
Yeah, if it fits perfectly on the gauge and it doesn't move at all, it doesn't wiggle, then that would be...
It's legal. Say that again?
It'd be legal. It'd be the exact minimum
okay.
size.
Okay.
I'll run it for you. Yeah, she's wait for her to return on the 27th. Clear the bed. Clear your belly. Okay, what's your address? And you're 25?
Yes, sir. Do you know how much the fine is?
I don't. It's a municipal code, so those are usually a cheaper fine, but I couldn't tell you for sure. What year's your Outback?
99. It's a Legacy, not an Outback.
So Outback Legacy, I guess.
I guess maybe that's what it is then. Yeah.
Shotgun's registered, Tom.
Okay. I'm done with it then. Thanks.
Were there any successful duck hunters this morning, or?
We're going in right now, so we'll find out.
Put this back for you, please, sir.
Okay.
Do you hoop net for lobster or you dive?
I hoop net. My friend dives though.
Okay. Nice. Off a boat or?
Yeah. My dad has a boat. Yeah.
Okay. Here's your driver's license.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is a citation for trespassing on city property, okay? Just signature in the box here. It's not any guilt, just promise to take care of it. Okay. You want to hold this?
Yeah, sure.
There you go, that'd be easier. Yeah, your information's on top of there.
I'm just, yeah.
Verify your address. Give you a copy. Do you have any questions for me? You should see something in the mail in about a month or two. It'll give you directions on how to handle the citation, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So I should see getting in the mail?
Yes, you should.
Okay.
To that address.
There's nothing online to check it out?
You can. You got to wait till the court puts it into their system.
Okay.
But you can actually search your citation online through your citation number right here, okay?
This
so
top
San
number?
Diego Superior Court, and then do citation lookup. You just
Okay.
Google that, it'll pop up, and you can enter the citation number in. You can
Okay.
right online, so I'm do that instead, rather than appearing.
Okay.
And then to get out of here, just drive straight out, okay?
Alrighty.
Okay, do you have any questions for us?
Nope.
No?
No, I apologize for the mistake.
No, it's okay. I appreciate your cooperation, and
Yeah.
hey, ask, not consenting to search your vehicle is completely your right.
Yeah.
I mean, that's usually the best thing to do if you're a private citizen, right?
Yeah.
We just got to make sure that everything's legit, right? So there's something in the penal code that allows us to inspect firearms in vehicles. But yeah, it's completely your right for us not to search your vehicle, other circumstances, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
You're right.
Here's what happened next. Luke posted this online and later revealed he fought the citation in court, where the warden testified with photo evidence of posted signs. The judge ruled against Luke, reducing the fine but confirming guilt. Grading time, Warden Smith earns a B- for staying calm and lawful, though his extended vehicle search remained shaky. Luke earns a B+ for staying respectful and fighting it in court instead of on the road. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.